So it is officially the last weekend of Hot Girl Summer, and I am going into the city. This is my last weekend before I move in. The whole squad is reuniting, I think. Basically the whole squad. First stop, diner. For that. Basically, these high chews, the acai flavor, yeah, they're like crack. Also, I got this because Andrew told me this is what all influencers drink nowadays. We're going to Soho. Since it's Hot Girl Summer, we're gonna treat ourselves. Andrew went to Off-White. Ooh, he's more mesmerized by the free sticker. What's up, Skye Squad? We are again Ubering. Okay. Oh, our Uber's here. Uber's here. Oh my god, the door is literally open and ready. Vienna. We're going to get some food now. Quick update. We just had dinner and now we're getting ice cream. Vegan ice cream. They just opened a new one next to where we live. So right now we are just chilling, but first look at this view. We are on Andrew's balcony right now, and we are just waiting. Okay, I got cut off, gotta go. So now we are going to Club Little Italy, and that's it.
I've been coming here since I was 8, bro.
Whoa, it's the best pizza in New York. Look at that sign.
They all are.
Woo. Can you confirm? You're doing like the running. Andrew, your turn.
Andrew. Hot Girl Summer.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to day 2 of the last weekend of Hot Girl Summer. Take a shot every time I say Hot Girl Summer. So if you remember and you watched one of my previous videos, I was on national Japanese television. I'm just coming back from another interview, so I'm gonna be on TV again. I'm in a good mood. It's so freaking hot. I'm dressed in this cute little vintage Bess Johnson fit. Okay, the YSL boots are on. Is it a yes or is it a no? Listen, I made this skirt, guys, out of a beach towel, and I don't know if I should wear it. Putting on the YSL belt.
It might be cute, dude. Oh, come on.
Lil Uzi who? So now we're going to Tommy's apartment, and then we're going to... So we got our fits on, and now we're going to Tommy's apartment. See ya there.
Okay.
Classified.
Hey bitches! What's up?
Please buy our stuff even though you're gonna see this video and not be able to shop.
Like, give us some looks.
Demonetize me in this video.
That's so funny.
But okay, don't cover it.
Hello guys, it's your favorite trade, Ziggy Mac Johnson, and I'm here at the Depop house, and I'm selling merch. Quickly come on. I'm selling all your favorite pieces, the pieces to make you look hot. Make sure when you shop, think of me when you're trying clothes on.
Hello? Anyone in there?
If you're watching right now, leave a comment for the algorithm, give it a thumbs up.
Who's that ugly bitch?
I don't want to be in it. This is so funny.
You gotta like shake the camera. Go Ziggy, go Ziggy. You are glowing, baby. I interrupt this Depop pop-up shop to go shopping for jewelry with Andrew. Max, are you vlogging?
Vlog session.
Guys, I'm for sale. Okay, what's happening? This is the Skye Squad. We're in Soho. Roll call.
I'm Tommy.
Vienna. His name is Chris. I'm Nova. My name is Sequisha. Yeah.
My name's Darkeisha. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Everybody took some learning to do. Left, right.
I'm done.
Andrew, I need better film work, bro. I'm embarrassed.
This billboard called me fat. This billboard called me fat. It's not a Saturday night without watching Andy Buddha TV.
I feel like
Put on my next. Yeah. Cheers.
cheers.
Did you get something? Are you zooming up? Okay, what's up, everybody? We're ready to go out. It's hot summer. Technically, it's next weekend because that's when Labor Day is.
So way to ruin the vibe. Is that like a
It's our first time doing helium.
We don't usually do drugs, but like.
What's up, everybody? You guys, welcome back to my vlog. Oh my god.
I want some tacos right now. Let's get a strawberry margarita.
What's up, vlog? Can't even see. The weekend is over. It's Sunday. We're going to Juice Generation. I just wanted to sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.